Mark, you look a bit lost.
Yeah, I think I am.
What happened?
I went to this big shopping mall today,
Okay.
and I couldn't find anything.
Really?
Yeah, I was just walking around, looking at signs.
And?
Nothing made sense.
That sounds stressful.
Very stressful.
So, why didn't you ask someone?
That's the problem.
What problem?
I didn't know how to ask for help.
Ah, that's very common.
Yeah, I wanted to ask, but I didn't know what to say.
So, what did you do?
I just kept walking, pretending I knew where I was going.
Yeah, many people do that.
Yeah, but I was completely lost.
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. You are in that mall. You are lost. What would you say?
Maybe help, please?
Yeah, that happens.
Yeah, it sounds strange.
It's not wrong, but it's not natural.
Yeah, I feel awkward.
Okay, here's the key. Real-life English is simple.
Again, simple?
Yes, just say this. Excuse me, can you help me?
Oh, that's it?
Yes. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. This is the most important sentence.
Wow, that feels much easier.
Exactly. Now say it again, more natural.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Good, but relax a bit.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, that's better. That sounds real.
Yeah, I feel more confident now.
Good. Now let's go back to your situation. You see a person. What do you say?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. That is exactly what you should say.
Yeah, that's simple.
Yes, simple, clear, natural. But let's continue your story.
Okay.
So you said, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Yeah.
And the person said, "Sure."
Oh.
Now what?
That's the problem.
Exactly. Many people stop here.
Yeah, I don't know what to say next.
Okay, let's stop again. Imagine you are Mark. You need to find a store. What do you say next?
I don't know.
That's normal. So here is the next sentence. I'm looking for the restroom.
Oh, I'm looking for the restroom.
Perfect. This is very useful.
Yeah, I like this.
Let's say it again. I'm looking for the restroom.
I'm looking for the restroom.
Good. Now, full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom.
It's on the second floor.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. That is real life English. Now let's make it more natural.
Okay.
Sometimes you feel nervous,
Yes, always.
so you don't speak perfectly.
That's true.
And that's okay.
Really?
Yes. Listen. Excuse me, can you help me?
Oh, excuse me. Can you help me?
Very good. That sounds natural.
Yeah, it feels more real.
Good. Now add the second sentence.
Okay. I'm looking for the restroom.
Perfect. Now together.
Excuse me. Can you help me? I'm looking for the restroom.
Excellent. That is real speaking. Now let's add a problem.
Okay.
You ask,
Yes.
but you don't understand the answer.
Oh, no.
Yes. So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say, "Sorry, I didn't understand."
Oh, sorry, I didn't understand.
Perfect. Very useful.
Yeah, I need this.
Let's try.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom.
It's next to the elevator.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Next to the elevator.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. Now let's make it even more real.
Okay.
You are in a big place.
Hmm.
You need more information.
Okay.
So you ask, "Where is it exactly?"
Oh, where is it exactly?
Very good. This helps you understand clearly.
Yeah, I like this one.
Now, full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom.
It's on the second floor,
Sorry, where is it exactly?
next to the escalator.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. That is very natural.
Yeah, I feel more confident now.
Good. That's the goal. Now, Mark, let's continue.
Okay.
You asked for help,
Yes.
and now the person gives directions.
Oh,
But the directions are a little long.
that's hard for me.
Don't worry. Let's learn this step by step. Listen. Go straight, then turn left.
Oh, go straight, turn left?
Perfect. This is very common.
Yeah, I hear this a lot.
Now try your situation.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom?
Go straight, then turn left.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Go straight, turn left.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. Now let's add more.
More?
Yes. Listen. Go straight, turn left, and it's next to the elevator.
Oh, longer.
Yes, but still simple.
Go straight, turn left, next to the elevator.
Very good. Now try.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom?
Go straight, turn left, next to the elevator.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Turn left, elevator.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. Now let's make it more interactive.
Okay.
You don't just listen, you confirm.
Confirm?
Yes, you repeat the directions.
Oh, so I go straight, then turn left?
Perfect. This helps you understand.
Yeah, that's smart.
Try full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom?
Go straight, then turn left.
So I go straight, then turn left?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. Now let's add distance.
Distance?
Yes. Sometimes it's far,
Oh,
sometimes it's close.
okay.
So you ask this, is it far?
Oh, is it far?
Perfect. Or, is it close?
Is it close?
Very good. Now try.
Okay. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom.
Go straight, then turn right.
Is it far?
No, it's very close.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. Now let's combine everything again.
Okay.
Real situation.
All right. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the restroom.
Go straight, turn left, next to the elevator.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Turn left, elevator.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. Now, Mark, how do you feel?
Honestly, much better.
Why?
Because now I know what to say.
Exactly.
Before, I was lost and silent.
And now?
Now I can ask for help easily.
That's the goal. So tell me, what do you say first?
Easy. Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. Then?
I'm looking for the restroom.
Perfect. If you don't understand?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Good. If still confused?
Can you show me?
Excellent. That is real life English.
Yeah, I feel confident now.
Good. Keep practicing every day,
I will.
and you will improve step by step.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.